Done, Chris? You back?
Yeah,
You ready to talk your talk?
yeah, you kind of already on it, but I was gonna see if you can,
No, no,
if you
no.
can,
You gotta wait till I
what?
come back. So you got to talk and you gotta share your own screen.
You can't open Stash app?
Not while I'm driving.
Then how you got Trading View up here?
Oh, because I had already had it up. I'm on the way out the door. I gotta go get my nephew.
Oh my God, bro.
Somebody else gotta share.
All right, man. Um,
Let's see. I don't know what happened to my.
Let me see.
No, I'm so sorry. I don't know what to say.
Let me see.
You gonna share?
Yeah, let me figure something out real quick. I gotta pull up.
You want me to log on, good brother? I can log on to my computer and pull pull the charts up.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, give me a second to switch because I'm on the phone right now.
Okay. All right.
Yeah, okay. Talk.
Yeah, I'm about to be fired.
You about to be fired.
No, man, we can't find Miss Mo. I know
Talking
what them
about
for.
talking about I ain't at home yet.
No, I'm at home. I'm gotta go get my nephew. You know them teenagers. He out and about.
Oh, you
Uh
gotta pick up
oh.
the thing?
Price, I accidentally gave you the host. Well, you can keep it and then so you can share. You can kick me off.
Wait a minute, hold on. I gotta switch to my computer.
That's cool. Oh, well, you got to give it back because
Uh-oh.
I, acc- I accidentally, I thought I was hitting my name and I hit yours.
All right, hold on. How do I do that
Click on
from
the
the phone?
participants. You see on the bottom where it says participants? Then click my name and then you'll see the drop down.
All right,
Make the host.
there it is.
There you go. All right, I got it back. Yep,
Give me 1 second. I'm trying to pull this up.
it's cool. Talk that talk. Urban Economic Empowerment Show, y'all. They about to get into some charts. Some we ain't did in a while.
Yeah, because we really gotta talk about you know, index funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Uh Everybody wanna buy single stocks, and that's cool, but it's risky. Um, Especially if you can't afford to lose like that. So, using different types of funds, gives you diversification and considerably less risk adverse to single stocks. So all stocks, bonds are susceptible to market risk or systematic risk. So if there's a market decline, everything going down, no matter what security you have. Um, but to diversification can mitigate a lot of that. Everything but market risk. So it mitigates liquidity, credit default, call risk, business, financial risk, in some regards.
Happily ever after. But the race is tomorrow. Zach Morris, I know, is not a quitter. Yeah, she's right. You don't want that jerk making you look like a total loser.
Where's Mo at?
I'm not sure, bro.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
So
You
since
booted me off, Price?
Wait a minute. I booted you out?
You gotta
Oh.
mute one of your
Yeah, you got me one of your
devices.
mics, right.
Preferably on the computer. So you keep unless you're gonna get off your phone and then stay on the computer.
Yeah, but get up.
Okay.
Mo.
There we go. Mic check. Can y'all hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
All right, I've been here.
Okay. So I did some today. So I sold my Nike shares because it was just time to sell. And instead, I bought an index fund, or I mean ETF. I think it was S&P 500 growth. I mean, high dividend. It was like 40 something bucks a share. Yeah, high dividend. SPDR. SPY-D is the ticker symbol. And the reason why I wanted Mo to pull up Stash is because a lot of times when you look at these different funds, you can see how they're weighted, right? So with different companies. So a lot of times they have multiple companies under this basket or in this basket of stocks under this one ticker symbol. So for the fund that I bought today, it was SPYD ETF. So it pays a 4.1%, 4.16% dividend yield. Let's see what companies are involved in this.
Okay. SPYD. See if
Yeah.
I can find that chart. SPYD.
Yeah.
Okay. Series Trust, Spider Portfolio, High
Yeah.
Dividend. Okay.
Yeah. Yep, that's it.
Okay, I got that up. I can go ahead and try to share that, Ms. Mo.
Yes, go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it working?
Let's see. Do y'all see
Okay.
that?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, good.
Okay, so let's look at the holdings of this company, right? You can okay, I can just read it from my screen. And you can play around with the time frames if you want, Price. You want to look at certain time frames. But
Ooh.
right, so you can see on the chart perspective, it broke is breaking out Throw that fib on there. But okay, so the fund's top holdings as of October 30th, 2024 is Kellanova, Kenvue, Ventus, BXP, Williams Cause Inc., Entergy Corp., Gilead Sciences, Philip Morris International, Bristol Myers Squibb, and One Arc. So it's a mixture of different sectors. And the different sectors is real estate, utilities, financials, consumer staples, healthcare, materials, energy, communication services, consumer discretionary, industrials, and information technology. So that's a broad basket of different companies and different sectors of the stock market. So you're heavily diversified. If one sector is doing bad, or three sectors is doing bad, but the other 4 or 5 are doing good. So you got a nice balance. So you're not subjecting yourself to, certain risk, which is why you buy index funds and ETFs, not for just capital appreciation or dividends. Those are good added features, but for diversification. So, if, like I said, one sector or 2 sectors or 3 sectors is doing bad, you got 4 or 5 others that are doing great to help balance out the bad. But if you're buying Apple by itself, or Tesla or Walmart or whatever, you subject yourself to that type of risk. And I'm not saying that you can't own these shares individually. That's not my argument. You definitely can, especially if you're savvy and sophisticated. I own single stocks. But if you are trying to grow your money and your risk level is like conservative or maybe even moderate, you want to, get more diversification in your portfolio, whether it's a bond fund,
Come on, cause hurry up.
index,
You said
mutual funds,
you
ETFs.
should come on.
What? To
Yeah.
go get him?
Yeah.
That gives you a more diverse nature of different companies in different sectors to diversify or have a basket of different companies that you're invested in. And so they are weighted. Weighted is just another term of how much that company owns, or how many shares of that company is in this fund. Like, for example, Kellanova, right? People are familiar with Kellanova, right? That's Kellogg's. So they own most of the shares, or one of the most of the shares in this fund, with a 1.64% weight. And they have over 1 million shares. So, looking at this stuff, reading this stuff is important. I will never, I wouldn't advise people, especially people who are not savvy or sophisticated, to buy individual stocks until you understand your risk level and, you're patient enough to go with the ebbs and flows of the market, because all stocks go up and down. That's the reality of it. So, and just investing with the objective that you want your money to grow, whether, you use it for personal gain, maybe in the future, maybe for retirement, whatever the case may be. Because here's the thing, you have to separate a value company and a growth company. And there's different type of funds for all of them, right? So growth company, what's the idea behind a growth company? To grow, right? So they're going to use all their capital, all their revenue, their profits to help the company expand, to grow. So that's companies like Amazon, uh, Tesla, um, even Apple as well. Even though Apple does pay a dividend, a lot of these companies, they don't pay dividends, so they can continue to grow their company. Now you have value companies, which have value, have been here for a while. There's no they have reached their apex as far as growth as is concerned, so they can continue to grow, but they pour back into their investors by offering a dividend. So paying you a dividend like a Walmart, Berkshire Hathaway, Target, these type of companies that, like consumer staples, PepsiCo, Coca-Cola, these companies invest back into their shareholders by paying dividends. They're what you call value companies because they are like behemoths. Like what they've got their section of the market already. They're established. There's no need to, spend all of their money on expanding when they have already expanded and they're everywhere in the world. So they put those profits back into their investors, to their shareholders. And so you can have a combination of both. Growth is going to be more risky, and value is going to be more moderate and conservative so that you can, get the best of both worlds, so to speak. And then that lessens your risk um, overall because you got a basket full of different things. That includes bonds as well, right? So any type of corporate or treasury bond that's offered, that's secured, of course, and even some junk bonds that pay high yields, which is risky as well. But having a combination of it all, helps you diversify more. That way, like I said, when it comes to certain sectors or certain securities, going through, a little bit of turmoil or they got their own personal declines, then you got other parts of your portfolio where, you know, that are still doing pretty well. So today, I looked at the SPYD, I looked at the XLP, and there was another one that I put some investment in as well. What you got up there, Price? Okay, you just going looking through that. Uh, okay, you got Kellanova up there, which is Kellogg's. Pretty sure people are familiar with Kellogg's. Eat your cereal. You know, I think they sold the other part of their brand that deal with snacks and all of that. Um, but everybody knows Kellogg's cereal. And, doing groundwork like this, looking at charts, even though a lot of people don't understand what they're looking at, is good to learn this, to kind of see how this fund has been performing and should you invest in it? Because even though it's only 40 something bucks a share, it's pretty mildly cheap, doesn't mean that you should buy it. Because, the idea is to grow your money. You don't want to put money in something that's not going to grow. You don't want to buy a business that's not going to perform well and, lose money because of that. So, with this particular fund, it's been doing pretty well over and since its inception. So, and like I said, It's highly diversified. I mean, you damn near got every sector almost with this fund, with real estate being the highest weighted, and then utilities, financials, consumer staples. So um, broad diversification here. So looking at that chart, looks good. You got some highs, you got some lows. You know, you got some lower highs, lower lows, and then it's breaking out. And this is just, day trader terminology, looking at candlesticks and charts and looking at you know, moving averages and things like that to kind of see where you can buy, where's the opportunity and so forth and so on. And that's more technically for traders if we get in technicalities, but just looking at the time frame and seeing how the stock has done over a time period is important. So you got it on a 4 hour right now.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So right now on the 4 hour, there's some downside right here. And it could be testing. Uh it could test, the lower lows right there for that time period and break out. Could be a buying opportunity. Depends on your objective and your goals. For me, this is a long-term play. So I'm going to keep investing my dividends. I'm going to keep reinvesting my dividends because we want it to grow. That's the idea. We want the stock to grow over time. So this is in my personal portfolio. Um, and let's see. Yeah, see, yeah, this is just think of the chart as a map, right? From where you've been to where you're going. And that's, how you want to look at it. Um, if it's not going anywhere, obviously you don't want to put your money in that. But if it's, treading in the right direction, you're gonna always have lows, but as long as it, sticks and moves, it corrects itself and
Oh.
truck forward. What's up, Price?
No, I'm counting ways. I didn't mean to interrupt you, bro.
No, you good.
I just look like it's going through some type of correction. I mean, this thing is broken out nicely.
Yeah.
I'm just saying if we just got to look some type of correction.
Yeah. That's perfectly stated. Corrections, you're gonna have a dip. It's no need to panic, because if you invest in long term, that shouldn't bother you anyway. So, that should be more opportunity to buy. Um, if you look at it like that, you won't be erratic and be panicking and all of this other stuff. You'll know your long term goal, your objective is to grow your money. And the lower you can get, when we go to the store, we shop and we see all of these discounts, that intrigues us to buy. But when shit is high, you like, no, I'm gonna wait till it go on sale. So you gotta look at this the same way. Wait till the stock go on sale, wait for it to correct. And if you're investing long term, you're gonna buy anyway. Because it's long term. We're building, we're growing. Um, and it's probably good to dollar cost average too. So if it goes lower than where you bought it, buy some more. Like consume your stocks. Be a consumer with your stocks, not just a consumer with goods and services. Be a consumer, with your investments. Because I guarantee the market rewards those who do their due diligence and who invest long term. You may not even believe that you can do it, that you can become a millionaire through stocks or assets. Definitely doable. You got millions of people that have, 401ks, personal, brokerage accounts that are worth 7 figures and more because the mentality, you got to be a consumer with your assets. You got to consume just like you do with goods and services. And I'm going to trademark that because I haven't heard anybody say that. Be a consumer for assets. And look, price bringing all the indicators out. The RSI, this is when you get the technicalities and you make that chart look like a real roadmap. You hit 45, 59 in Houston, 610, it take you where you need to go. You need to get to Dallas, you hit 45 north, maybe I-30. I mean, that's basically what, all indicators, candlesticks, it brings all that together. It creates a roadmap for you to get you to the destination. Anybody else got anything?
Oh no, bro. I'm just really playing with, what you're talking through. Just trying to
Okay.
figure out like on this 4 hour, we see a little bearish engulfing, but I don't
Yep.
think that's anything to be afraid of with these last two candles
Mm-hmm.
because it's close to the. Yeah, I'm just trying to anticipate turnaround or
Okay.
where the bottom is.
Yeah. Mo, you got something? Mo ain't even listening.
No, I think Miss Mo probably
I'm
driving.
driving. It's dark. These kids all over the place. Boy, I gotta pay attention.
Since when you can't drive and talk?
Not the Halloween.
Oh Lord. Okay. So let's look at another one that I invested in too. So let's look
Okay.
at XLP.
Do you do
Yo,
anything with Nvidia?
huh?
Do you invest in Nvidia?
No, I don't own Nvidia outright, but I do have the triple Qs
Okay.
that it covers all tech stocks. That's in the NASDAQ 100. So, Nvidia, see, with single stocks, sometimes it's about timing because of what's popular or what's trending. Like right now, AI is trending. And I owned Nvidia like years ago, like years before, all of this hype came around. And I sold it at like $100 and some dollars. Now, before it stock split, it was going crazy, right? Thousands of dollars, right? But I owned Nvidia years ago. I never thought it was gonna do what it do or do what it did. And now Nvidia fits what's popular right now. AI, chips, GPUs, all of that stuff, right? So that's popular right now. Not just saying it wasn't popular before, but it's more trendy now than it was before. So it just shows you that sometimes some things come back full circle. So Nvidia is probably like 130, 140 some dollars right now. That's kind of where I sold it at. before. So strange things happen. They stock split to get more investors in and to get more capital, and that's kind of the story of that right now. But yeah.
Yeah, I had some Nvidia too, and I sold it. I didn't think of anything. I was just cleaning up my account. I was like, I'm gonna get rid of this one.
Yeah.
You know.
Now, considering, I think Nvidia is a great company. Does the AI hype, boost a bit? Yes, I think so. But other than that, it has value, and it provides value to, specific sectors of the market. There's no denying that. But like I said, with the reward comes risk. So if you're gonna invest in it, you gotta invest in it wholeheartedly and hold it for more than a couple years. It's gotta be long term. Now, if you want to trade it, that's a different story. All right. So we got XLP right here. So XLP is a consumer staples ETF. So let's see which companies are under this fund, right? Or price play with the charts. Let's see. Okay, XLP pays a 2.35% dividend yield, and the expense ratio is less than 0.10%. So the expense ratio is really the expenses for management, administration fees and all that other stuff. So it's very low for this fund, which is a good thing. So I think we got some bangers under this fund here. Some big time companies.
Yeah, I like these. What
Yeah.
it's made of, these holdings.
Yep. So you got Procter and Gamble, you got Costco, Walmart, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Philip Morris International, Altria Group, Inc., Mondelez, Colgate Palmolive Co., Target Corp., Kimberly Clark, Kenvue, General Mills, Monster Beverage Corporation, Dr. Pepper, Kroger, Cisco Corp., Constellation Brands, Kraft, Heinz Company, Archer Daniels Midland Co., Hershey's, Church and Dwight Co., Kellanova, McCormick, Clorox, Dollar General Corp., Tyson Foods, Estee Lauder, Conagra Brands, Dollar Tree, J.M. Smucker, Bung, Bung Global, Lamb Weston Holdings, Molson Coors Beverage, that's beer, Campbell Soup, Hormel Foods, Brown Forman Corp., Walgreens. So you got a lot of good companies under this fund. Highly diversified. Even though they're all kind of in the same sector, you got a wide group of diversification. That's amazing. And it's what, $80 a share?
Yep.
So why try to, go buy Walmart, go buy Target, go buy Costco? You're going to spend damn near $50,000 trying to acquire all of these companies when you can just buy the ETFs for $80 and have a piece of all of them.
What's that
And
ticker again,
ETF is
Chris?
just, I'm sorry.
XLP.
Okay.
What you say, Monique?
No, I was asking the same question. This fund is XLP,
Yes.
$80.
So and look at this. Trucking. Three-day chart and a correction.
I really think it's about to come out. It went back and tapped this top.
Yeah. So look like a buying opportunity. I mean, I bought some today.
Yeah, I would think so.
Yeah.
I mean, at worst, I would say it could try to come back for this. What is this? This 50, this moving average here. I don't
Yeah.
think so, but I'm just saying, just looking at the field, at worst, maybe a 77, 88. But I really think it's turning around already.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, see what that the 200 here on the daily. But I don't think so. Not that low.
Yeah. So
That's the weekly on the 20.
mhm.
Then it just closed. So it had a full breakout and a pullback. It,
Mm-hmm. That's a big red candle.
yeah, but it's still not no, so this is a monthly. If you look at this monthly, what is this? August,
Yeah.
huge breakout. And
Yeah.
then it kept going over into September. So it still didn't engulf this. So this would be
Yeah.
like a 50% pullback. Let me see some. If we measure from this candle,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so maybe I don't think that's quite a 50% pullback.
Yeah.
A little over. But it didn't engulf all that.
No, it didn't.
And see, we still back here at the 7088 all the way back down here at the retest
Mm-hmm.
of the breakout.
Right.
It's the worst case scenario that I would say. But looking at all those companies you just listed, I mean them some bangers. You know what I'm saying? So and
Mm-hmm.
Thanksgiving coming up, Christmas coming up with all them guys. So
Yeah.
lines up.
It's gonna. What's
Yeah,
the
so
yeah?
you say that's bearish diversion.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So it had a nice run up. So it could be a little maybe come in here and accumulate.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I don't think no lower than this, in my
Yeah.
opinion, Chris.
Yeah.
It's- hmm.
Yeah. I see what you're saying. It's a small correction.
Years later, I've been watching you all summer. I think you're a Uncle Robert.
I might want to take some notes. Write these ticker symbols down. Okay. Look at this. That's up 21% over the year.
Yeah, I was just on looking at this. Is a nice little run.
Yeah.
30% from October 23 to September 24.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Jesse, yes, you. This is nice. I'll be there tonight.
Yeah, just a small correction.
Yeah, I think the correction is playing out though. That's what I'm saying. I think we see the ABC right here. Let me see.
Mm-hmm.
So it deep as I would think I would expect this to go with something like that. That's
Yeah, that's possible. That's
but
what around.
but it should be. I think it should be done. Just when I look at, like I said, it's the deepest lining up with this 55. But here makes more sense because it's texting this previous swing high over here to the left where it broke out at.
Right. Yeah,
Oh, they just show up here. So let me go back. Let's see what they fit like in the daily. Yeah, so that's the 200 right there on the daily, which was the 55 weekly or the 50 weekly.
Yeah. Yeah, 77.50, somewhere around there.
Yeah,
Not bad.
It like it's already closing out though. Let's see. Ugh. Candle patterns is my weakness. Let me see. We can get that. Where the hell Brandon at? Is that a doji right here?
Yeah.
Or this hammer, is that let me get that off of there. Is that hammer a reversal?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what the close at on the monthly. Okay, the monthly was bearish, but not. Okay, so that's the weekly. Yeah. I don't know, bro. I think that's a hammer, man. Where my Hakanashi at? Yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
I'm just saying, so instead of that C ending down here, it could be right here. Or, it could just go horizontal.
Mm-hmm.
We need candle. Somebody do those candles.
Yeah.
Is that the MACD indicator at the bottom?
It is, ma'am. Yeah. So that's still, it hadn't curved yet. So, yeah.
Still in motion.
But when I see that on the daily,
Yeah.
the 3-day. The weekly should be next.
Mm-hmm. Might be a reversal.
It's correction.
Is this your idea, Morris? No, not entirely.
And that RSI looked like it was bottom out. Look at that.
Is purple line?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's below. Yeah, it's
See
below
how
40. Yeah.
it's below this spot right here.
Mm-hmm. Yes. Yeah, it's working its way down. So
Got into overbought.
mm-hmm.
A, B, C.
Yeah, man, that small green doji may be reversing, man.
I mean, that's what I'm thinking, but that's not my strong point. But I
Yeah,
wouldn't be, I wouldn't be mad. That's what are we on now? 3 days. So that's like the 50 weekly. Then on the daily, we got I think the 200 down there somewhere. Yeah, 200 down here in that same area,
yeah,
which we go back to the left. I mean, it
yeah,
just had to be something really bad to get back down in this accumulation spot where it broke out at. But I can see
yeah.
it coming down here and then shoot back up.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Why should I back down when I'm right?
Yep. XLP. Hope y'all paying attention out there. Mo, you still here? Okay, that's $1. Pulled up the dollar. Let's see. Let's see. It was SPY G.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. Yeah, bro, been going crazy, man.
Make me say this time different.
Yeah.
I just don't know what to say about them.
I mean, people ain't fleeing to her for no reason.
Yeah. Folks scared. You right there.
Yeah.
Let me see the front one.
I think we can set up that.
Caught us. Probably got us together, so we start talking.
We are talking. So sweet. All I cared about was saving his friend.
But those are two indexes you want to talk on, good brother?
Yeah, I got two more. Got the SPYV.
Okay, SPYV. Can we find that? I mean, the clean chart.
Let's see.
Series Trust Value, the Value ETF.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, all right. So, are some heavy hitters in this one too? Berkshire Hathaway, J.P. Morgan, ExxonMobil, Johnson and Johnson, Walmart, United Health Group, Bank of America, Chevron, Home Depot, Procter and Gamble. So sectors is financials, healthcare, industrials, consumer staples, information technology, energy, utilities, consumer discretionary, real estate, communication services, and materials. So nice little basket. And what's the share price on this? I think this one is 52 bucks. The current price is 52.52. Low expense ratio. Um, let's see, performance. Let me see. Let's go back. Got a 2.09% dividend yield. This one up 31% over a year. So this is the value ETF. So remember we was talking about value companies. So you got value companies under this fund.
So that's the slow and steady group.
Yep, slow and steady. And look at
Right down that 20.
yep. So it's almost a common theme with some of the funds we showed today. Y'all in a small little correction or pullback. So whether you like value or whether you like growth, there's funds out here. The next one is going to be growth company or growth ETF.
Ooh, this should be done too.
Yep. So $52 within range. And you got some heavy hitters instead of, buying $300 stocks and single stocks. Damn, growth company went crazy too, man. Yep, see. Yep, just a little drop to get some discount buying. Going through some healthy pullbacks. That's all it is. If you get done with that one, Price, you can look at SPYG, SPYG.
Okay. Ooh,
Yeah, value, man. Growth been going crazy.
I did not mean to do that.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah. Healthy pullback here. Just similar.
Yeah, it's like on the daily, it came down to hit this 50-day and then wick down, but Joker's bought it up off of there real quick.
Yeah. Yep.
60 days. Yeah, that's interesting. Okay, so the 3-day is here. Let's look at this data again. Good data. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to there. 3-day. So that's about a month of uptrend on the 3-day. Okay.
Yeah.
2 months. So
Mm-hmm.
on average, I mean, we see what we see here, but yeah, it would be due up the after 2-3 months of uptrend. Yeah, somebody got to take profits. I mean, a little pullback.
Yeah. $80 bucks a share. What's that? The yellow line at 50?
Yeah,
Yeah. I was touching that 50 right there.
and
Almost.
you had gaps back here to the left,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
so it would make sense, to come back and kind of fill it in. There's
Yep.
this swing high right here.
Mm-hmm.
Ideally, this depends on how we looking at that. I will have to play in here, got a couple of divergence in here.
Mm-hmm.
See something. Hmm. So growth is tech.
Mm-hmm. May have something to do with Apple getting beat down today and Microsoft and Meta
Yeah.
yesterday.
At some point in time, Joker's gonna take profit on that tech. I mean, that's just my opinion.
Yeah.
That's why I'm kind of bullish on the Russell. I think we're gonna see a rotation out of tech.
Yeah. Yeah. Amazon went crazy this earnings though. I bought me some
Yeah,
calls for that.
I think Google did too. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, that would explain. Look at that: Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft. Yeah,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well,
okay. Yeah, that would explain your sell off today because I think Apple did earnings.
yeah.
Today was Thursday. They had earnings today, but
Mm-hmm. It's down $4 after hours.
mm-hmm. Yeah, you got all the big dogs in here.
Mm-hmm. There you go, old Nick. That's got some exposure to Nvidia right there.
Be interesting to see what the pre-market look like for this tomorrow, or
Yeah.
just what tomorrow looked like for it, or how
Right.
long it take it to recover. But
Yeah. Yeah, definitely gonna be interesting. Ain't no telling. Apple might sink some more tomorrow.
Yeah, it may. Let me see where is it at now? Like 226, two.
What's it? It's 2:21 after hours.
Oh, go to 221.
Yeah,
Yeah, that would get interesting to me. If it
yeah,
goes any further beyond that.
yeah,
But it is gonna be. I think it's gonna be a rotation out of tech, and then into that's my play. But to each his own.
yeah, yeah. I'm kind of agree, man. Tech been running hot.
See, this fund right here been carrying the whole spy. When you look at what's in there, I mean, that's the Mag 7 plus a few extra in it.
Yeah,
But
yeah. That's true story. True story. Yeah. This one. What's this? Yeah, it's got a small dividend yield, not a lot. Yeah, it's and if you own this, it's risky, man. Very risky with the way tech going right now. I mean, of course, you got some upside with some of the companies, but I think it's overheating. Let's see. Uh, go back. Yeah, look at that right there. Okay, holdings. Yeah, you got yeah, Apple got the most shares in this fund. Over 16 million shares held of Apple. 12%, 12.37% of the fund. Then Nvidia after that, and Microsoft, and then on down.
how much Google in there?
No Google.
Oh, okay. I thought they had some Google.
Oh, you know what? I'm tripping. It's right here. They got between Class A and Class C, it's probably about 12 million shares.
Okay.
Yeah, so about 6% of the fund.
So that's probably what's keeping it healthy, so to say.
Yeah,
Because
yeah,
they had the last couple of days been coming back.
yeah. I think Tesla helped it out with its earnings.
Exactly. Yeah. Forgot
Yeah,
Tesla had a nice comeback too.
yeah. Then Alphabet backdoor, and then well, Meta and Microsoft didn't do too well, but then you add Apple to that, but Amazon, Amazon is up.
They chugging along.
Yeah, so it's kind of balancing out a little bit. I think Nvidia got earnings later. Um, I think in a few weeks. I think. See when Nvidia got earnings. It's not too far from now. Those was a few I was looking at today. Let's see. I think I earned, man. See. Yeah, November 20th. Yeah. Got earnings in a few weeks.
Decisive.
Yeah. I say that's why diversification is good, y'all, because if you own Microsoft and Meta, you got smoked. You got smoked. You definitely lost some money, but
Yeah, somebody took some profits on you.
yeah. It's ringing the doorbell. Hold on one second. Yeah. Man, let me see what else we got. Let me see. Let me see. Here it is. Hmm. Let's see, XLV. Consumer discretionary, consumer comforts. See.
You say SLV.
Yeah. Oh, you know what? XL XL XLY, my bad. XLV is healthcare.
Ooh, let's see.
And double tops right there.
No, but
And
I like that monthly close though.
yeah.
See something. Oh yeah, I really like that.
Yeah, that's some consolidation almost.
Right. Yep. Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
So it's like almost like this could be a new range up
Yeah.
in here.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's see who was under here. Let's see. We got Amazon, Tesla, Home Depot, McDonald's, Booking Holdings, Lowe's, TJ Maxx, Starbucks, Nike, and Chipotle. Okay. She says she got to give me host because she on 5%. She almost home. I don't need to get a phone charger.
I do that from here.
Huh? There you good.
Okay.
Yeah. On that daily look like a double top, man.
Yeah, it does, but hold on.
Them hard time frames be more accurate though. Could look like consolidation too. If you put that fib on there, or just put the square on there,
Uh-huh.
it's just a bunch of consolidation. It's
Yeah, let's
it's moving in a range, really.
let's check it out. Let me see. This is we have to zoom out to catch it, but
Okay.
hmm. It did, man. You're right. Like say this, but this is like consumer discretionary, right?
Yeah.
See,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, I can't see uh just because of who it is, I can't see a crash in it.
Right.
But yeah, but I do see what you're saying about this double top. But
Mm-hmm. But it's still staying, in that range, so it can be just some consolidation.
yeah, that's what I would think. But let's zoom out and see. Oh, ah,
Yeah.
yeah. See now, dang it. I got to get used to these new changes they made to go ahead and change my profile up.
Yeah. Yeah. They updated a lot of stuff.
Okay, so now,
That could be a
okay,
cup and handle, really.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
See now, yeah, that's why I said let me zoom out. We can get a better picture because this is back in 2021 when it all started. So,
Yeah. Yeah.
oh no, yeah. So look at that.
Mm-hmm.
So it broke out and hit that 786, come back and like test it right here. And this is a
Yeah.
monthly, but yeah, I mean it haven't even did a full retracement
Yeah.
from December 21.
Yeah. I mean, it still got some possible room to run.
But yeah, like you say, it could be playing around here. But
Yeah.
yeah, we
Yes. Yeah.
yeah, I'm gonna think maybe at worst case, Chris, consolidation because
Yeah.
we still got to hit the top line before we can even if you've been if anybody been hanging out since back here,
Oh yeah. You cooking.
yeah.
Yeah. You in the money. In the money.
But yeah, that do look like a little something. And
Yeah.
it look and it could be the move to come back down here, like you say, finish that handle out
Yeah.
around this 200
Mm-hmm.
because that seemed to be the play. Look right here.
Yeah.
It kind of did something similar,
Yep. Yep.
and
I
then
see that.
got a little run.
Yep. broke out upwards a little bit. Maybe just consolidating again for another breakout.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Cause some about consumers and holidays tell me folks gonna find some money.
They
So
gonna find some money, man. Every time gonna find some money. See, this is their technical analysis, y'all. You know, if y'all watching, y'all definitely, need to save this video because this is some good recon right here. This is
So
how these
even
people do it. Yep. And look, the RSI, is showing,
here, look,
yep, a little bit up. Yeah, it's kind of like the same thing. It's consolidating. Yep.
and then plus, I would say it's still if we just go from here. Well, this is like August, but just from here.
Yeah, that's still a nice piece of change, man.
Right. Maybe not lose this. It's just crazy because I don't want to say it's a bubble,
Yeah.
but
You still good even at that point.
is yeah, I agree. I agree.
If you still want to hold on or whatnot, but it'll be just, retesting.
I'm just saying the down here is, you know,
Yeah.
the to me the woe is me. I don't even want to say woe is me, but I'm looking for the bottom, and I'm just not looking for the bottom yet. Not
Right.
what it's been doing
Yeah.
up in these areas right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. I don't think it's going down there. But yeah, this is good, y'all, man. It's good to go through these charts like this.
So we see that like
Yeah.
thought it was gonna flip, but it didn't. But these guys still on the upside. Did somebody report today? Hold on,
Uh
let me.
yeah,
But
and
oh,
see out of them, yeah, Amazon did. Amazon reported today out of this
okay,
fund. So I think Starbucks reported yesterday. Um, Tesla was down today. I think Chipotle reported yesterday too. I don't think they did too well.
but still,
Yeah, yeah,
that's the only thing throw me out. Like the MACD wanted to flip, but you see,
yeah.
last two bars came in and put it, and then the cross didn't happen neither. So
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, I think
what we got for news headlines? Okay, let's see.
McDonald's is in here too. So
That
yeah,
that's that whole. I got
yeah,
the
yeah. So it's a lot of downside. Yeah, because McDonald's, shoot, Chipotle. I think Nike in here too. Nike ain't been doing well either. So Starbucks, Nike, Chipotle, McDonald's, Amazon might. Only thing that might push it a little bit, but they ain't gonna move too much. Tesla down too today, so
yeah. I was just trying to see what would make that cross not happen. You know,
Oh, okay.
you
Yeah.
see
Yeah.
I thought we would, it looked like it was gonna shoot up and then, make a cross and this was gonna flip back into the green. But I mean, it's not too terrible. I mean, it's kind of the bearishness is shallow,
Yeah. It's
but
shallow. Yeah. It might flip tomorrow, to be honest.
you
So
up? Yeah.
yeah, it might flip tomorrow. So
So somebody thinks it's driven by Amazon and Tesla. Staples outperforming discretionaries.
hmm yeah, discretionary been getting killed, man. Let's see.
Just say we're going into holidays, man. It's Thanksgiving in what, 3 weeks, 4 weeks?
Yes. Should be turning up.
Yeah.
Should be turning up.
Some
Man.
good tickers though, Chris. Real something to think about.
Yeah. Shoot. I still got some more, man. Still got some more. I think what XLV, that's healthcare sector. Dash.
Ooh, they right at the 200 on the daily.
Mm-hmm. XLV.
See what that month where we close there today. Damn, they had earnings today. What's going on?
Yeah, so this one got Eli Lilly, United Health Group, Johnson& Johnson, AbbVie, Merck, Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc., Abbott, Intuitive Surgical, Amgen, and Pfizer. I think a lot of them got beat down today too. Let's see.
Yeah, they had a nice sell off the last 2 months. Been
Yeah,
selling off
yeah, healthcare been getting his ass kicked for sure. More-
till the flu come up. Or
yeah, exactly. It's almost that season too. So
yeah.
yeah, like, healthcare ain't even doing good either.
I don't know. It's right here on this thing, 200 daily. Let's see. This should. If this ain't it, what's going on? That's
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. This got to be the bottom.
yeah, it got to, boy, cause
Yeah.
yeah, they getting beat down, man. Yeah, it's got to be. Some got to give.
Oh yeah. On the weekly, maybe not, but that's 30. Hmm.
They popping fireworks on Halloween.
Okay, let's hope there's fireworks now. Like say how they wait, did they save them over from the summer?
So they had to, man, because it's crazy. I didn't know. I didn't know Halloween was a holiday like that.
Hmm. Yeah, maybe it's gonna go into another range. I can't see it coming all the way back down. Now here, they're gonna create something to lock us back down.
Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. That ain't out of the realm of possibilities.
That's why I try not to say crazy stuff. You're right, Chris. Hey, I used to say what could happen next, and then it happened. So yeah, I try not to say that.
Yeah. Hey, you don't tell them with these folks, man. They got a calendar full of shit.
Hmm. Doggone MACD is not curling. Ew.
Mm.
It may be some more downside for this one. I can't. Maybe down here to the 200 on the weekly.
It's a possibility.
Yeah, well,
Dumping pretty hard though. Weekly, that's a big red candle.
hmm,
Yeah, that's
I keep an eye on this one.
yeah. Yeah,
So the daily has already crossed down and went in, but it ain't curved up.
yeah.
Let's see something. But it should here soon.
Yeah.
But but it don't have to.
No, not this one. The one on the bed.
We go back here. It don't necessarily have to. But this is hmm,
Well,
What do you?
yeah, it'll be interesting to see how this gonna play out.
hmm. This is it's kind of been a quiet year though. Because the only thing I heard about what's that stuff? Opezec, the
Ozempic.
yeah, Ozempic. That's
Yeah.
that's all I've been hearing folks talk about, really.
Yeah.
Manjaro.
And the one of the medicine to help with
Or
dementia or something.
diabetes.
But I thought the Ozempic was supposed to help with diabetes, and then people started using it for weight loss.
They still use it for weight loss. But the doctor not gonna prescribe it for weight loss. They only prescribe
Oh,
it for diabetes.
Yeah.
but it was another something to help with dementia. I thought they had
Manjaro.
some medicine for that, but Ozempic been taking over social media. Everybody been talking about that.
So yeah.
Lose a lot of weight. I hope you don't have no adverse side effects later. But you
Who you
sure lose
tell?
a lot of weight.
No, I got high metabolism, so. Uh-oh.
What y'all doing?
No, we went through some charts. I mean, Chris brought out I like his strategy for when this bubble pop. Well, I don't want to say that to be furful.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to really keep my thoughts to myself, but
Oh, you good, man.
yeah, I like the Russell, but I like to play for after whatever is gonna happen. But I think everybody gonna get well, I don't want to say everybody. I think an illusion is gonna come. We're gonna have like this last little blow off top
Mhm.
scenario, and we're gonna start seeing a rotation. And we could be seeing it now,
Yeah.
with what happened with Apple, today.
Mhm.
So I just be real quiet because I don't want nobody to say, man, you said, so I did. So nope.
Yeah. Yeah, always don't do that shit, man.
Well, I'm real cool with either being real right or real wrong, but I don't want to be responsible for nobody else.
Yeah. Here's a disclaimer. We ain't telling you to buy anything. This is not um quintessential financial advice. All we doing is just sharing opinions. That's it. Sharing some charts, some tools you can use to, map out opportunities. That's about it. However, I still don't recommend buying single stocks unless you got the risk profile for it. Anybody tell you that diversification is the way? Uh, Depending on your savviness or sophistication, your knowledge. If you got some skin in the game. If you don't know what you're doing, I would not be just going to buy Apple because you like iPhones. That's just not good. I wish that sister Shaniqua was on here so because I was having a conversation with her about DraftKings. She said her son was trying to get some DraftKings shares because his friend told him that he turned $5 into 500, and I'm like, that's not a good reason to buy DraftKings.
Yeah, but that's because he probably playing DraftKings too, right?
Yeah, you gotta play the sport.
Yeah, I mean, I know quite a few people do good with the parlay and the sports betting.
Right,
Yeah, but yeah, yeah. Make sure you clarify.
Yeah,
right.
I play the squares and I made 250. So I mean, but
Um,
that's just a gamble.
but let me go buy some Square stock. Let me
Yeah.
I said squares.
No, but I was trying to be funny, Ms. Mo.
I know.
Yeah,
Crazy.
I'm a nerd.
I see.
Yeah, I just, it's just too much. It's just too much stuff out here to invest in, man. Then, you know, worrying about like just investing in DraftKings. Like I said, I don't have a problem with people doing that. You know, just because you like it, liking it is not enough. Um, I like Tesla or, I like Ford F-150s, but I don't want to buy the company because the shit, it don't fit my profile of what I want. So me liking it has little to do with where I'm going to buy it as a business, as an investor. I mean, I'll buy the truck, but buying the company itself, I think I'm good on that. So you gotta differentiate between, your objective and, your consumer side. That's why I say you gotta be consumer in your assets too. So you buy the right things for your objective. What is your goal? If your goal is to, have a retirement outside of, your 401k, you want to, a traditional or Roth IRA, and you want to buy something that'll grow as well, you know, then, you got more of a goal, got a plan. If you want to buy something for your personal account, just to see how it does, you know, then you can maybe gamble a little bit, not gamble, but you can risk a little bit, to test some things out. You got to be willing to lose money if that's your objective, but you don't really lose until you sell. So if it's a long-term thing, I wouldn't focus on, the daily up and downs. You survey, the economy and, the things going on, you look at the business cycle and, you do your circular reasoning and, some companies are cyclical, some are counter cyclical. Make sure you kind of have that diversification. But rookies shouldn't be, be speculating like that. Find something conservative, moderate, and stick with that. Then once you, build your knowledge base, get some skin in the game, then you can, up your risk profile. I know I'm sounding, professional or whatever, but basically don't invest your money in something that you're not willing to lose. So like with the
Shoot.
DraftKings thing, so
You talking about money, Chris? You supposed to sound professional, man.
yeah, yeah, but Negroes they like, the smooth words, the feel good. And the feel good ain't always good. So, but hey man, listen, I'm just a ordinary Negro, trying to do better, trying to do good for himself. That's all. It's a black man trying to make it.
Dude, stay motivated.
Yeah. I ain't special. I ain't no guru or nothing like that. I wake up and get dressed like every other person. It's just that, I do a little bit more research and, put some time into, with the skill set. So that's all it is. Mo, you got any questions?
Nope. Well, I should have.
Why should you? Because you missed like an hour of the dang video. I mean, session.
So what I'm supposed to do about that? I got kids now. You can't be holding me accountable.
You
Yeah.
weren't even listening in the car, Miss Mo. I thought you was listening in the car.
I was. I was about to ask y'all. I was listening to the call. Wasn't paying attention, but I was listening. But remember last time the election happened, we looked at what happened in the market in the election prior to. Remember that, Chris?
Yeah.
Matter of fact, I had just started trading. Was that 2020?
Yes. Yeah. 2020. I remember that.
And we were looking at, what happened in 2020 at this time, and was trying to compare the charts But would that even 2020 this time? No. Oh, that was pandemic time.
Well, we was coming out of the
So
pandemic.
we were going. Well, I mean, that was like the peak. We was coming out of it, but that was like when, yeah, they were pumping money in. So we actually would have been looking at 4 years prior to that, right? 16.
Yeah, I agree. But 16, that's where everybody kind of fled into the, I don't, it was a whole lot of variables, but a lot
Yeah.
of people made a lot of money from
Yes,
16.
to 2020.
I think so.
I think
know.
2020 they made a lot of money because they pump all that money into the market due to the pandemic. It was like the reset. 2020 is like a reset, right?
That was the entry.
Yeah, I don't think the reset has happened yet, Miss Mo. I'm looking at it from a very holistic view because we still got, and it's all speculation and just my opinion, but we got 2 more chips to fall before this economic, where there's going to be a soft landing, a Great Depression type, no, Great Financial Crisis type crash, a big correction, or whatever. I don't care who wins the election,
Right.
but I still, we got to see some more unemployment, and people have already been giving us tales. I think Walgreens announced last week, a week before last, that they're going to close a few hundred stores close to the end of this year.
Yeah.
Yes, so some more people are going to lose. Yeah, Boeing going through it with the whole.
Middle of November they're supposed to let go.
So many dang layoffs.
Yep. The port workers say, "Hey man, we coming back for the rest of we coming back for the gravy." In January. So I'm just saying I think we got to see some more stuff in the labor, some more downside in labor, and you got to see some type of correction in the market.
Right.
So we can't declare victory. So I think everything that the Fed is doing now is not about inflation. The year over year is going to just start falling in line. I think everything Chair Powell is doing is based off the labor market. And then the housing market, that's a sector that is not healthy, not friendly for new buyers. So I don't, so regardless of who does what in the election, that's why I say I like Chris' strategy about the staples and some of them things that I like everything we saw today except for the healthcare. I'm still like a toss up on that because
looking too shaky to me.
Yeah, but the other two, and just the way it's spread, because the market's gonna be the market, and it does have to go through corrections. But I mean, I just think it ain't gonna be no more go pick this stock, it's gonna run through the roof or whatever.
Right.
Hey, no more runners, huh?
Not
like that.
Yeah, well, I don't think in my lifetime. That's how I'm thinking about things.
Andre say Roblox went up $8.
It probably did. That's what I'm saying. It probably did. But we saw a lot of stuff. We saw bubbles burst, and we saw jokers come back with a vengeance. I mean, we saw Netflix burst.
That is
came.
Go ahead, right?
No, I'm just saying we saw a lot over the last 4 years. We saw a lot of people failed and came back and became the new sector leaders.
Oh yeah.
So I think equity, when you look at the whole dynamics of everything, that equities got a nice premium on them right now. So yeah, that thing got to balance out, man.
Yeah, man. Netflix is one overvalued stock. It just keep doing the same thing. There's no way this stock is supposed to be $750 something.
It sure is, honey. It reaches higher high, huh?
And y'all remember November? Was it November 2020? Was it 2021? November 2020? Whenever the bubble burst with Netflix and they came back and they had to retool and redo their subscriptions.
22.
Yeah.
I mean, it went from Grace all the way to $688 all the way down to that 2. 81, 22. And then now it just soared all the way. It didn't broke that support resistance. I mean,
Yeah,
it broke
it's it,
that October 1st.
it's the new it's the new champion. You know, Disney like Netflix. How you do that, man? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Emma dropped around June 30th, 20 or June 2022.
Yeah,
It just dropped, and then December started to run, boy. Yeah, around
it
between
went
October and December, it just started to run.
Exactly. Yeah, we saw that bubble burst. See if
Yeah.
I can pull that thing up.
I
So
brought it up. It look crazy too. If you look at that, if you look at if you look at the chart, all it's like a big red doo 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 doo, and then it kind of
Yeah, that bubble burst.
look at
It burst
that.
hard too,
That's
boy.
crazy.
Yeah. And
It's gonna do a a head and shoulder, like drop
I
upside down V or upside down.
since September 2022, this thing only had one red candle. Looking at the quarterly,
Mm.
look
it
at that.
just
So the
it
bubble
made a
burst,
V
what,
shape.
November 21, bottom out around let's just say April, May 22.
Mhm.
1, 2,
Hmm.
3, 4, 5. I'm just saying, man.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Good night, guys. Thanks so much. I gotta jump off. I'll see you guys next
Okay.
week.
Good
Okay.
Oh
night.
man,
Good
All right,
night.
bye bye.
she scared me.
Yeah.
Bye.
Good night.
So yeah, we talked about all that, and that thing just it's been
Yep.
chugging along, chugging along. So yeah, I don't know, man. So like I say, I don't care who win. You can say whatever, but they're gonna get in there and they're gonna have to own this bubble when it bursts.
Oh yeah. It's gonna be tough, boy. It's gonna be tough. Got a hell of a job to do either way.
Yeah, that thing bottom out. Look at that from April
Mm.
22 to July 22.
Mm.
We talked about all that, and it started falling November 21.
A year after elections.
Mm, say that, Ms. Mo. So, that's what I would say. Look, a year. I'm thinking this time next year.
Year out.
Yeah, that's let's say a year to 18 months, because I'm not
Let's
an
see what
expert.
options looking like. Let me go to bar chart. They
Oh
probably
man,
already own it. Follow the money, follow the money, follow the money, follow the money. Follow the money.
Falling asleep, falling asleep, falling asleep.
Follow the money.
Mo falling asleep.
Ms. Mo, Benedict was your school?
Voorhees.
Voorhees, okay. Ooh, I'm sorry, y'all. I just want to give a shout out to Chennis Berry is beating up on North Carolina Central tonight.
What?
Yes, ma'am. I think South Carolina State gonna be the SWAC, not the SWAC, the MEAC champions.
Big quarterback gone?
Who?
North Carolina Central.
Uh, you talking about Darius? Yeah, that broke graduated last year. I'm saying
Uh,
y'all coach Benedict's coach, Chennis Berry, is now South Carolina State's coach, and they beat North Carolina
yeah.
Central tonight.
Yeah, they
So,
won. Yeah. Benedict was very good last year.
yeah, they always been good. I mean, he's a
Mm.
good coach, but this is
Yep.
his first year, and he beating Trey Davis.
He built them guys up. from a new program to
I hope we see you.
champions.
They look good. Look like y'all going to Atlanta.
We took
Sacramento.
their Voorhees, we took their vice president and he got our school rocking. You hear me?
So Voorhees took Benedict's
Vice president.
Okay,
Mhm.
okay.
Well, we didn't take it. You know, he applied for the
I
job.
mean, that's what I'm saying. He came over.
Yeah, man. He been bringing that money into that school and changing that school, changing the narrative. And oh my God, he's just phenomenal. Hawkins, Dr. Hawkins.
So Voorhees making noise.
You're making money. You put programs in place. You know, we don't have a football team.
Well, I mean, but
as far as programmatics and research, grants and programs, he got it going on.
listen, hey, you don't need a football team to
Yeah.
Academics is where it's at.
He brought us from a college to university, got a master's program. I think a couple masters.
Okay,
I think he's headed towards a PhD or two. A doctorate. He got a lot of credentials aboard, huh?
No, I'm saying that's the vision right there. So now you can start getting the research dollars in there. So
yeah,
when you get the PhD program, that's what matters.
Oh yeah.
Because look, this new structure with the Power 5 or the Power 4, whatever you want to call them, and these NILs, hey man, it ain't fair.
Right.
Everybody else might as well pack up their the athletic programs. I mean,
I'm about to connect him with our new representative. If he's in that rural area too, man, if he hook up with him and get that money flowing, that's a wrap. Let me see. I was supposed to be looking for Leap, huh? We in November?
Tomorrow or at midnight. Yeah.
I can't. Let's see. Oh, we can go Netflix to December. Yep. They got puts. The ratio 1-7, 16,000 open interest, 9,000 calls.
On Netflix?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, not 16,500 open interest and 9,222 calls open interest. So that's actually they've been had them for a while because it's unchanged. That means people have just been holding them. It's not a lot of volume though.
Oh, so
that's a year out though.
That's not bad. So these are puts for like November 2025.
Yeah, December 20. They don't have any November ones. They go September, December.
Okay. No, I don't think that's bad. For puts, I don't think that's.
Yeah, the puts on all the leaps that I'm looking out, just bagging up to August, November, June. It's heavy on the puts, especially in June. 22,856 to 15,676.
That's the put the call.
Yeah.
Okay.
That was June 2025.
Yeah, but it sounds like everybody's expecting a bubble to burst over the summer or.
So let's see, March. Yep. March is almost kind of even. Look like a lot of people bought calls today. March 2025 inputs was 17. There's a 1.17,568 puts and 15,921 calls. The puts were on the 760, 770 That's where the changes were. 725. Let's see what it calls. 750. 790.
Mm.
Well,
So the
that's like,
beginning of the year?
well, that's like the end of the first quarter, right? That's
Yeah.
like the about to close out the first 100 days of whoever the new president's gonna be.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, I
Mm.
might need to go and start putting together my little thesis statement because, yeah,
Yeah, that's what it's looking like for like after the first quarter, then the puts start outweighing the January, Lord have mercy. January puts not open interest 99,434 and calls 56,733.
I believe that's gonna change.
They'll sell by certain date.
No, because Ms. Mo White had the sentiment change within the next, I'm gonna say 3 to 6 weeks. We're
Yeah.
gonna have one last shebang, and everybody gonna be around here out of their mind and ain't gonna be thinking about nothing. I'm just speculating and we just talking, but
Let's see.
it's gonna be one last hoorah.
Look like that 750 mark. Where does he sit right now? Oh, 756. That's
Mm.
that's what it's at right now.
We talking about Netflix?
Yeah.
Yeah, 756.03.
What's your field telling you about the 750 mark? That's where that line at right there look like probably. It's that's 750. I noticed on all the plates
The
have the highest volume. Let me see. Let me look
the
back at
the, the
that.
fib that's well, it's not 750, that's 709. Let me see what fib that is. That's the one. You talking about right here? Where the
That's the
pointer's
one.
at?
Oh, okay, that's the one.
Yeah, that's kind of like break even.
That's that's all the way down.
Yeah. So to come back here, are you talking about like right here?
750. That's come up, up.
Oh, so 750 is, let me zoom in, son.
Oh, that's real close. It's like, is it underneath them two red candles? Is it the bottom of them two red candles?
Hold on. Oh, let me put my pointer back. I don't like this. 750 is that's 739. Yeah. See, that could be a flag. 750 is like the bottom of this green candle.
It does look like a flag, ain't it?
Yeah. But that's on a 3 day. Let me put it on a weekly or something more. Yeah, even the weekly look like a flag. 750 is like,
They could retrace at that candle, at the bottom of that candle, and bounce
yeah, exactly.
like one of
This
them
is
cat bounces.
750 is somewhere up in here. Let me zoom into a daily, see if we can get it better. Oh, got this gap right here.
Yep. So got
Yeah,
a nice little gap
yeah. See, 750 is,
right there, somewhere up,
yeah, somewhere up in here.
like in the middle of that candle.
Right, right.
Yeah, there's a lot of open interest on the 750 March. Let me see June.
So no interest between
Yeah, there's a lot of
707 and 737.
yeah, it probably is. Let me see, 35. Let's see,
Okay.
750. Somebody 740. 740. Hold on.
That's that gap here. 740 is probably the bottom of this green counter right here. If we're looking at it on the daily, I zoom out. Let me go to the weekly. Dip say 706.
So that was from like running around the first quarter. Yeah. Like the first quarter.
I'ma just the 750 don't make a whole lot of sense to me, Miss Mo.
It don't, but that's where they put the emphasis at.
I got it. I got it. I am not the
Maybe
options
that's
guy.
just the price point.
It could be. I'm just from a chart perspective. It just
Okay, let
I
me go.
I don't
Let
know
me
why
go
that's.
to it's a lot of change on that, but let me see what we the next best.
Let me check some out on my
That's that
feed.
first quarter 2025. Maybe they think it is gonna drop and then retrace. This one, the calls.
Unless they going off of this wick, off of this candle. Let's see. Okay, that's 744. One
Halfway
second.
through.
What you see this
Yeah,
first red candle
I
after
see
the
it.
so 744 is the bottom of that wick. Well, 745 is the bottom of that wick.
Gotcha.
That's on a 3-day. Let me see what a weekly.
Close.
Yeah, and this was a nice candle. We go on a weekly, but it still didn't it seemed like it went into this see, look at this. Let me see.
Went
We
in
can do
that
this.
zone and
So that's from wick to there. That's not 50%.
mm-mm.
It's more like 20, maybe 30% pull back and then it turned green.
Yeah, that's not much.
Let's see what
Have we
happened.
got some height on it, ain't it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know why they doing what they doing. That was Netflix. Yeah. So Krista rolled out on us.
I ain't rolled out nowhere.
Oh, I just say he's still here.
There you go, cutting up for no reason.
There you go. You come over here talking about Netflix.
Shit, look at the SPY. Boy, they
I'm
the SPY January. Go ahead. I mean
no, I'm
March.
589. That's my number. I'm done. I may give me some of these indexes Chris talked about tonight, but I've been close to 589, but I'm done.
589 Netflix.
No, 580. No, not 589. Not 589. Oh, help me. What is it? 289. It's
Oh,
what is this?
2.
It's PX.
That's where you got it going down to.
No, I'm rotating out. Not $589. Let me just do it like that. Let me do it from the SPY. I think my SPY is 589.
Oh, 589 on the SPY. Man, the
Yes. Yeah.
SPY. 589. I need to put some more numbers on the chart to see that.
I'm gonna be all the way out.
Yeah, because they got what you got? A put?
No, that it's just something I done had for the longest. I done had SPY since
Oh, you still holding it, so you been made a lot of money.
I did okay.
Yeah, I still got my spy too. I ain't
Well,
getting rid of my spy unless it's at a.
Ain't got no spy.
I do.
mhm.
I always had a spy.
Either that or the VOO. I mean, either one. But
I got that
yeah,
too.
no. But I think I this probably gonna get rolled over into
Chris, I still got Qualcomm.
what one of Chris talked about today. That the
Yeah.
value, the SYD.
Yeah.
I like that, and I like the not the G. We went through three of them.
Yeah. So it was we had XLP, we had SPYD, SPYG, SPYV. So you have the value and the growth.
Yeah, that's what I think. I think I'll be looking at the D or the V. I just like the mix. What they was holding,
Yeah.
because those are companies that I would think that regardless of whatever we on the way ahead, they'll be here on the other side, and people are going to still use them.
Yeah.
That's my thinking right now about those.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I got them in my M1. I I better start doing some of my Fidelity.
Don't forget to take profits. That's all I'm saying. Somebody gonna take profits. Don't let them take profits on you.
Yep.
On my
Ooh.
Fidelity account?
I mean, your Fidelity is made up of equities, right?
I ain't even buying nothing yet.
But see, you weren't listening to what Chris was telling us about diversifying, and I mean, yeah, you got to look at that. You're gonna have to go back and look at that. Those what he was talking about, Miss Mo.
Yeah. Ain't no
It
surprise. You normally be asleep anyway.
the SPYD, the SPYB, and it was what was it? XL,
XLP.
yeah, XLP, and then he also did the health. I went too crazy about the health,
Yeah. The health
but
was kind of off, man. Yeah.
I mean, all of them was good, but them first the Spy D and Spy Victor was the mix was really good.
Yeah.
And then if we did do the growth, but I think growth is gonna take. I think it's gonna be a rotation out of growth. That's why I'm
Yeah.
just not. I'm not big on growth.
Yeah.
But
Yeah. Yeah. I feel you on that. Because that's tech heavy, man. So
yeah,
that's just gonna be, yeah, you just gonna have to get up out of them. They the first ones that's gonna get rolled over for sure.
that's my thought. Why everybody buying them puts? Whatever you make off them puts, I will be putting it into that Spy Delta and Spy Victor.
Yeah. Yeah. No, Spy Victor, that's the value company. They gonna be they gonna be needed regardless of what's going on.
Exactly.
And Mo over here talking about some damn Netflix. Nobody over here buying no $700 stock.
Ain't nobody said nobody buy no stock.
Look,
I was
look,
talking
Chris.
about options.
Chris, she said she was listed, but she was paying attention. She did
Yeah.
say that.
Ain't nobody worried about Chris. What he talking about?
Yeah, she was definitely
Tell
sleep.
him to come tell us when he making them option plays and making $6,000. Then you come and tell us.
Well, I know I bought Amazon calls tonight, so
Don't tell me after the fact.
yeah. You didn't respond earlier, that's your fault. So you missed the train on that one, my girl.
Whatever.
But she still got the pre-market.
She can buy some shares, but not no options.
Oh, the options. Okay, yep, that's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
Nobody concerned. I'm saving my little coins.
What you saving your coins for? The holidays?
Cool. Man, I don't buy gifts. You as long as you know me, you ain't know me to buy no gifts.
Hey, you do?
Yeah, right. Better be
What-
for a kid.
Ooh,
Because Monica don't buy no gifts.
What you
Not for
saving
no
on?
holidays.
Oh,
I haven't bought a gift in a long time.
oh man, you one of them aunties.
I sure am.
Cheapskates.
I ain't cheap. Shit, I take care of them every day. That
tell
ain't
you,
good enough. I don't know what you want me to do.
that's old school. That's back in the day. You go you go see grandma. Grandma give you a bag of it'll have an orange or an apple in it, a little peppermint,
Hey,
and
yes, that's my grandma and some socks.
look, yeah, a pair of socks and look, one walnut and maybe 3 to 5 pecans, depending on the size.
Mhm.
Yeah.
If it's a good year, you might get 2 walnuts. So,
You might get to.
Mo
Yep.
want to
look,
give up nothing, man.
look, and if she really like you, you get a piece of butterscotch instead of to go with your peppermint.
Yeah, right. Some
Mm-hmm.
non-laters or something. Blow
Yeah.
pops.
No, and then when my grandmama and them they ain't do blow pops.
Oh, pecan. Don't forget about the pecans.
I tell you, you're gonna get 3 to 5, depending on the size of them.
Dang. Ooh.
It is so true.
Dang. I was gonna say, you can look at XLK too, price.
Oh, let
That
me try to pull that up real quick.
that one might be better. It's more diversified than the SPY growth. The tech sector. XLK. Let's see what Mo think about this since she wanna talk.
I ain't gotta think nothing.
Oh, let's see. I want to see if we're gonna find us a bubble in here.
Yeah,
This
probably
you say
will
this
with
is
this one.
say it's tech heavy. That's
Yeah, it's well diversified though. It's a lot of companies in this one.
oh man, I lost my utility. Oh, they got
Well,
all the
that's
big dogs.
Hmm. Yeah, they got a lot in this one. This one might be a little better than
Shit, Chris, that one gone, man. Look back here. That's December 21 right there.
that one going with the winds.
yeah.
Let me see if it didn't hit the 618 already. Oh, mm, ooh,
Past it.
Yeah, that thing done did it out. It done look like it got rejected at the 2.
Mm-hmm.
Man, that thing got up to 239.
Yep.
Now I think that's your double top. What we got playing out now, right
Mm-hmm.
here. And
Yep.
I could be biased just on what I think is gonna happen with tech, but
Man, they made some done. What today is?
oh,
31st?
that thing did good. Oh
Yeah.
Yeah.
wow,
That mug been running, man.
yeah. Look at this.
A lot of puts purchased on that one.
Man,
Big changes
why did they do it like this, man? I wish it just go back to.
tomorrow.
Oh yeah, that's a 2x. Well, it's at the 2. It looked like it's getting rejected here,
Mm-hmm.
or it could be, just catching his breath because
Yeah. Could be
it's ranging.
consolidated.
Yeah,
Yeah.
like it's ranging in between here. But see
Right.
this right here, I wouldn't be surprised if it rains here. Then you see a breakout and maybe shoot up here and get folks excited again. But I'm happy for anybody that got
That's so
in
fun. Right
anywhere
there.
down here, or just anywhere between here and now. But I feel sorry for somebody who will come in here and think, well, and this ain't gonna be necessarily bad if it does break beyond 2. I don't think this is gonna do no more than that right there. So at a best case from here to there, I think it may be another, what's that, 25%.
Maybe
And we
something.
just, I mean, I'm just guessing right now, 26% to go to a 2618.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready
Yeah.
for this to get rejected like the Kimby Matumbo. The Kimby Matumbo.
But see, it's kind of tricky right now. So it went up here,
Yeah.
rejected, came back down, and it found support here. So it did confirm this area and
Right.
went back up, but it didn't quite, so now we kind of got some bearish divergence coming in here.
Right.
Put in a lower high end right here, but then came here and put a higher low. So if it sit here in range and then pop,
I could.
yeah, I mean that's a nice 20% run from here to there. But god damn.
Yeah.
But this is the lucky dog right here. Whoever played it from here,
Yeah.
you
That
see,
mug just went up.
yeah,
Just what was on a speedboat.
yeah.
It's up 36%. Let's see. What else we got?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. Do an unpopular one. Oh, done fell asleep already.
Nope.
I don't know. I'm just sitting here. I'm still looking at this one, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody did good. I think somebody
And
gonna get caught slipping though.
yep, you can even see the higher highs even with these right here. These look similar V shapes.
Ooh,
Boop, boop. Poop, poop. Yeah, tech sector fund. Okay, here go Brandon right here. What up,
CC
Brandon?
Bennett. Oh, he in that CC Bennett.
What's up? What's up?
What's
What's up,
up,
good
Brandon?
brother?
You been trick or treating?
Hell no, I ain't been trick or treat. I don't do none of that mess.
Give me some candy.
Yeah,
Give me
he's
some
out there.
candy.
He's out there trick or treat.
See, look, here you go. Here you go. I ain't even on for 30 seconds.
No, bro, I was wondering where you was at.
I wasn't trick or treating. Don't say price.
Mo,
I just said where's CC Bennett at?
Mo was.
What?
Mo was out there trick or treating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, she was out there.
Yeah, I like trick or treat. I
What
ain't
was
go.
you for Halloween? Mm-hmm.
I
What
ain't
was
go
your
this year.
costume?
I didn't go. I didn't trick or treat this year. My niece was dressed up. I posted the picture in the chat. My niece and nephew went.
How she like in college?
She don't start until January.
Oh, okay.
She working with Auntie Mo, learning some skills,
That's what's
This
up.
your niece?
some bookkeeping skills.
That's
Mm.
that's what's up.
Mo, this your niece? What she dressed up as? What's this?
What's that thing called? Leprosy.
What? Maleficent?
Maleficent, yeah.
Who was that?
Leprosy. What the?
Maleficent, whatever her name is. I thought she was a vampire, but she not. She's something. Chris could tell you.
I thought you said she was some leprosy. I'm like, hold on, ain't that like a skin rash?
Yeah, I
That's
just
that
saying
from
it's
Disney movie.
I
a
can't remember what
disease.
she said the name of it. What's the name of it,
Maleficent.
Chris?
Maleficent.
Yeah, Maleficent. She Maleficent. She made all this drama she got over.
Oh, she designed that?
Yeah, the horn, she made it out of aluminum. What, Zion? And Zion was an alien. Maleficent. There was some aluminum foil and tape and some kind of thing. She made the oh wait, let me show you the horns without the scarf over the top. And then she made that scarf looking thing.
Maleficent is causing harm or destruction.
Yep. See her horns? She made them.
She better not.
That's impressive.
Then she made her little cape thingy. And
That's dope.
yeah, she can be very creative. I usually sit at the road and give out candy, but I didn't this time. I don't believe in none of this stuff. I just like to see the kids running around.
Man, them kids better leave me alone.
You're Scrooge.
Call me whatever. We ain't turned the light on today.
You
Keep it
didn't give
moving.
out no candy.
No, ma'am. Hey, me and wifey was like, "Hey, man, we ain't got no kids here no more."
I can't.
Mm-mm.
That's why I'm late. I'm over here passing out candy. I had the whole block at my door.
Dang.
We
You
damn near gave like 50 kids some candy.
wow.
They rung my doorbell. I ain't even open.
They ain't even ring our doorbell.
I had to go out and buy 2 more bags of candy. I'm pissed as hell.
No.
Like, they ain't gonna get nothing but a cavity, goddammit.
That's it, man. Go home with that. Now that's not a bad idea. Now
Mm,
I
mm,
need to write that down, Brandon. Next year, I'm just gonna go buy a whole bunch of dental floss.
mm, mm.
I traveling tubes, toothpaste, and like, here you go.
I'm
Here
giving
you
out dental
go.
floss. Here you go.
That is a good idea. You know, you could go to the dentist and probably get some for free, like
I
the
get it.
toothbrush. You know, they give you toothbrush and little dental floss caps.
Yeah,
Some
don't go by
education.
that. Look, don't
Male,
go by that house. Don't go.
male fishing, male fishing.
Mel Fish. I ain't seen that movie.
What's Maleficent?
That's the name of it. Maleficent. Maleficent.
Mm.
That's a terrible thing to be. Talking about causing harm and destruction. Pick a
Who who
better pick a better outfit.
Yeah, let me get that outfit right there.
No.
who was Maleficent?
My niece.
No, the movie. I don't even know who that was.
It was
Mm.
a Disney movie that came out for them kids, man.
Oh,
Mm.
Man, Walt Disney is some of the most wickedest people, man.
Mm.
Yeah.
She came out, she came out the she came out the blue and said she want to be this.
Oh, she dressed all kinds of ways. Y'all be surprised.
And
You see her
most of
TikTok and her Instagram. She draws this stuff. She goes and she makes the outfits out of organic items and she does all kind of stuff.
She
mm,
wear black all the time.
Mm-mm. No, she just like to be in costume.
yeah,
She wants to be a fashion designer. She's an artist. That's what she do.
okay.
What y'all looking up here?
Yeah, she they over here.
Yeah, we was looking up some ETFs. Uh well, me and Price Mo was asleep, but
I
like
was just Brandon.
well she was
Was
uh
she laying down or was she sitting up?
I'm sitting up right now.
Oh,
yeah, we looked at a couple few ETFs. Um SPYD, SPYV, XLP, looked at XPY shit, SPYG, and this we looked at XLK.
did you guys look at SPLG?
What's that?
I think that's like another it's like the mini to the SPY. Oh no, SP. The trade at like a lower volume, so
Oh yeah,
I
yeah,
got one in my portfolios.
yeah. Yeah, I got all these on my watch list.
Um, I don't know if you guys are for any puts right now, but I got a position that's about to turn on me that I got to get out of in the morning. It's IONQ. It's a chip company that's trading on the small cap index or small caps.
Mm.
So I'm up on it right now, like 500%. But hey,
Ooh,
the thing is that
500%.
I could have got at 800%, but I was at work doing work stuff and I forgot to take a look at it.
What's the
oh,
ticker symbol?
is that a Russell? A Russell put?
Yeah,
Uh,
I think
yeah, it's
it's
Russell. My fault. Yes, Russell.
Yeah. It,
IONQ.
Okay, yeah, I see it.
Yeah, it took a hit. Russell took
Uh,
a nice hit
oh,
from like,
this is spec.
It shouldn't be a spec. It should be at like what, 15?
Yeah, it's $15. They calling this a spec.
Oh,
Yeah, but what was you saying, Price?
no, I was just saying that Russell took a nice hit. You know, last week I thought it was breaking out, and it kind of rejected around that 90 range. I think it got up to 91, and then it went all the way back down to like 37. But give me a second, I get back on the computer. I got
Okay.
pump fake, but I'm thinking it's gonna break out. Where is that at?
yeah. So I think that's gonna break down to the downside. Nice thing about it is, it's got options to it. I think I was looking at the next year's. I want to say June or May, and like they had puts on it for like $40.
Mm. Oh, that's not bad. Damn, it was negative 10% today. Damn.
Oh, it's been catching hell since I want to say last maybe Thursday.
Yeah. Dang, but it's up 72% over the month.
Yeah, but Chris, I need that thing to go on run, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's gonna be the breath in the market I think we all looking for.
Hmm.
But it's gonna be an illusion. I'm gonna say it like this. I think tech is gonna take profits and rotate into here. Everybody gonna get excited, and then the bubble gonna pop.
Yeah.
See, this was last.
Oh yeah, 100%. You can see that now. Like you can see that with Apple, somewhat Nvidia. You know, last minute people are getting in Nvidia right now.
Yeah, but
Um,
they late. See, they getting shitted on. What? Excuse the language. They getting sold on.
yeah, I mean, I think it's definitely going to be a turn. And like a lot of these analysts say, I don't think there's going to be a crash, but I think they're just waiting for the new year. That's. I think it's going to be a crash. Like what, February, March?
Yeah, I'm with you, Brandon. I don't know when, but yeah, I'm looking for some type of correction. 30 to 50%, bro.
Yep. I'm real heavy on the 50%.
So I got a question for you fellas. Do you think the positions that you have, are you starting to trim it, or do you just leave it alone and just take that? I don't want to say loss, but
That ain't a loss unless you sell.
that's true.
Really, it's about just, you know, moving, rotating.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing. I've been taking profits and rotating to IWM and some cryptos that I like.
Okay. Yeah, like that's what I've been doing for the past 3 4 months. I've been just trimming down, getting rid of some of the bad stocks I have, and now I'm about to go ahead and start getting rid of some of the stocks that are actually doing good.
Yeah, I just sold my Nike today. I told them early.
See, that's what I like. What Chris was talking about, those indexes,
Hmm.
Yeah.
that value and the value in the D. I cannot remember what D was, but I just like
D
the
was
makeup.
D was high dividend.
That's it.
Yep.
The value in the high dividend, the makeup of those companies that regardless of whatever we go through, those companies are going to be there. People are going to use them. So,
Yeah.
I mean, you can't get 100. I don't think nobody can get 100%. What I'm trying to say, 100% insurance, but I think those are nice hedges to
Yeah.
be in for whatever we think we're gonna go through.
Yeah. I would just say, yeah, it's a nice hedge. Like market risk or systematic risk, it's gonna hit everybody. But I think it's gonna everybody gonna get hit, but value stocks gonna take a less of a hit than everybody else, especially tech. So tech gonna take a beating, man. It's just needed.
Yeah. Yeah.
And shoot, Brandon, you still fairly young, man. So all I'm saying is my thinking because I don't think I see another market at these levels. If we do get the 50% correction or whatever, uh shit, I don't know if I got another 20 years to see to wait for that thing to get back up here, man. So you got a better chance than me. So you can sit there, take the L and write it off as taxes and let Uncle Sam pay that and then, still get it back. I might not be here.
Let's stop saying that. We gonna have to be around another 30, 40 years. I plan.
Well,
Yeah, you
I'm
got kids too, so
I'm just that stubborn, but I'm just keeping it real, bro. The hell with that.
Mm.
no, I mentioned that because I was thinking more or less of the buying power aspect of it. Um, I'm not really trying to contribute, but I still have money from my job, still funneling
Well,
into my portfolios, and I'm just thinking of okay, I need some capital in my bank now. Um, I definitely got some in my portfolios. I got three, four, six portfolios I'm trying to fund at one time. I'm still trading through those too. So I mean that helps a lot. Um,
well,
I'm just over here thinking, like, do I stop or just continue on? I mean,
yeah, you're in a different spot, man. I can remember the GFC. I can remember two crashes where relatives 401ks took a hit. And I
Mm.
mean, I'm talking about make your stomach hurt type hit. And
yeah,
but shit, I mean, what do you do? But they made it through the other side to see what they got today. So, or
Yeah,
to have a nice size retirement. It did recover eventually, but
it was brutal. I said, if you got the patience and the wherewithal just to ride it out, shit, me personally, I wouldn't even look. I would just see the broader market, and be like, damn, my
yeah,
portfolio is cooked.
just know where you at. I'm with Chris. Yeah, just know where you at in the cycle is all I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
okay. And then, like, as far as like as still funding your portfolios, just leave it, just let it keep funding.
I would.
yeah.
Okay.
Now
You
you
gonna
want to
get that.
trade? Let's see if we can get Miss Monique to put a spell, and then we can trade ages.
You're fired.
What happened?
Don't listen to them.
Yeah, no,
Yeah.
I'm gonna just
No,
trade. See, going to trade ages, man.
listen to us. Yeah, you want that growth and that capital appreciation because the market will recover over time.
Yep.
So that's why you don't stop. But like I say, you can, cycle out of things and, rotate to other things. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Right. I keep on forgetting what, Oba kept teaching us in regards to these stocks.
Yeah.
Um, when he said the stocks are just, we not here to like them or love them. We just use them and keep going.
You no motion attached.
No emotions attached, right?
That's
Ain't
it.
married to them.
That's it.
Yeah.
Think about Snoop Dogg.
Yeah.
You said think about Snoop Dogg. Hell no, that's fine.
No, he said we don't love them stocks.
Oh my God.
I don't love them blows. You know what I'm saying?
Damn one.
No, I'm just saying, if we really say we believe in the process like we do believe in the process, then we know the business cycle is real and it has peaks and troughs. Just some people, you have no control over when a peak and trough hits
Right.
The
in,
troll.
in your lifetime. I'm just saying you're at a spot where, shit, this your first one. How old was you doing in 2008, Brandon?
2008. I think I was getting out of high school.
Yeah, man, yeah, shut up. Yeah.
He said, "Shit."
Yeah, you can't ride this shit out. Shut up. Be quiet.
No, what's funny is I really didn't get into trading until like 2011 because, and it's funny enough, and I'm kicking myself in the ass right now because I had a teacher who was at the CBOE in Chicago. She
Mm.
was trading orange juice, and she told me about this, and like she was trying to teach me like after school about this stuff, and I was like, nah, I need
Wow.
to think of my friends. Yeah, name
Wow.
was
Wish I
Miss Bettinardi, and on her little tag, uh, Bettinardi was like BET. So she was telling me all these stories about like the '60s, not '60s, but like the '70s and '80s. How her father was not one of the top, but like was up there at like um Wall Street in New York. Talking about her friends did cocaine and stuff. I was like, okay, you're not supposed to tell your students this, but you know what? Hey, I ain't gonna tell on you. But yeah, I'm kicking myself now.
Yeah.
Wow, Brandon. I wish somebody would have taught me in high school.
Yeah, I should have listened though. That's the thing.
Yeah, my one of my old girlfriends, she was trading Forex, and that's how I got introduced to it. But I didn't think nothing of it at the time until like maybe like what 3 years later.
Mm-hmm.
That's how she was living because she was a teacher in Egypt, and then she moved to Uruguay and then to Ecuador. But she was trading Forex too, making money.
Mm.
And when she came back to the States, like I think her last little money she had, I think she lost some. She came back here. But she was already doing it then. I didn't think nothing of it until some years later. I was like, damn, man, I guess this was meant for me because I had downloaded the app and everything. I just never used it.
Mm.
What was that? MetaTrader?
Yeah, but I think I was using FX Choice as the broker. I know a couple of my coworkers, they was doing it too. Shit, crazy. I come back full circle, man.
Now you about to be a financial advisor.
Yeah.
How long you took your test?
I'll take it in a couple weeks.
Okay.
You feel confident?
We oh. Now which test you taking it? One of them series tests?
Yeah. So first I'm taking the SIA exam, which is like a general securities license.
Okay.
So it's like an introductory exam to
Yeah.
get familiar with, securities industry. And then I'm taking the state licenses next, which is they got the Series 63, 65, and 66. So those are like investment advisors or like your financial advisor representatives. And I'm gonna take the 66 because that covers broker dealer agents, which is stockbrokers, and then investment advisor reps, which is your financial advisors.
Hmm.
And then I'll take the Series 7 once I actually get on at a firm, because that's like the stockbroker exam. But really the Series 66 to 65, it's like state law license exams. And then the 7 deals with trading and suitability. And then after that, I'm gonna take the investment banker representative. Those motherfuckers make money. I'm talking about they make so much damn money, it don't make no sense. When they be talking about how these hedge funds and different, Wall Street banks and other investment companies that be, making all this money, these companies is making billions and even trillions of dollars.
I know.
So they be giving $50,000 starting.
Bonuses. Mm-hmm. I had a girl that was in my master's program with me, and I never forget. Right before we were going to graduate. We had one more semester in the spring, but it was around this time of year, and she was like, she kept saying she had to do certain stuff because she wanted to make sure she had a good holiday bonus. And in my mind, I'm like, okay, maybe she get a couple thousand. I don't know, whatever. Man, she said, yeah, because I'm use my bonus and I'm just pay my car straight out. I'm gonna buy my car right out. So we're like, what kind of bonus she getting?
Yeah.
I think that girl got 30K. It was like, hold on, I'm in the wrong damn business.
Yeah, they
I'm in
get
the
paid
wrong
bank.
field. She was a loan officer. Mhm. Mhm.
Loan officer? That's crazy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the bank. Mm-hmm.
So, you do mergers and acquisitions. These is people that's, you know, sitting around with billionaires doing deals.
Mm-hmm.
So, hopefully by spring, summer, spring 2025, I have all my licenses done. And
Oh, shit. We got an expert on the team.
so, there's, I already been talking to some people I met online. They kind of doing their own thing now after they work for firms. I'm talking about these people work for, JP Morgan, Bank of America, a lot of these big firms and banks.
Yep. We'll
And
get that knowledge.
dude, the money is not the problem at all because you're gonna make money. you're gonna make so much money, and you're gonna work a lot of hours. Now, I wish I was a bit younger doing this, which I don't have a problem working a ton of hours, but getting to know different people, like even financial advisors make bank. I'm talking about the minimum is maybe 70K. And I think that's just entry level. But and then of course, keeping up with your book of business and clients and all of that. Um and I ain't even gonna talk about traders. Traders, we ain't gonna talk about traders. So you think over making money, shit. And professional traders, bro, like I said, the bonuses is some people's salary for the year. Most
Yeah,
people's salary for the year.
because don't traders get paid like off of commissions?
Traders get paid off commissions, advisors get paid off commissions, bankers get paid off commissions. So yeah.
So which one you going to aspire to be, or you just going to learn a little bit of all of it?
Well, like I said, the 66, that's the advisor and the agent. So let me separate them both for you. So you got broker dealers, which deals with trading, buying and selling, executing transactions of stock purchases. Then you got investment firms who give advice on securities. So that's the investment advisor reps. So the 66 deals with both, but you need the 7 to make it work, so to speak. So they combo is they go together. They like co-requisites. So that covers both. So you can do both, broker agent and investment advisor rep. The 57, which is investment banker, you doing mergers, acquisitions, you doing shit like that. You working with, lots of money and, clients with lots of money. When you hear about companies merging together or a company acquiring another company, you're doing those deals, you're in those meetings. So I want to get into that. After the rep, being a financial advisor, that Series 57 is, the next thing I want to get to. So going from, just giving advice and, just executing orders, and all of that stuff, investment banking, that's the big league. You got so many different type of fields you can go into with this where they all make money. So money is never going to be the problem. It's really about fit and what you want to do. And I talked to McKee with this. That's why she went into wealth planning and protection, educating people on how to protect their money. So, and I definitely want to get into that. But I want to be able to do all of it. And it's not something that I say that, I'll probably do forever because, I'm more of an independent person. I want to go and do my own shit. So, and, that's the goal for me. Get in, see what this shit is about. And after that, start my own firm. I already got the name, Woodfork Financial Group. So,
What's the name of it again?
huh?
Well, what was the name of it? The firm again?
Mine?
Yeah.
It's gonna be Woodfork Financial Group. That's gonna be the name of my firm. Hell, I might even go work for my old manager back in the day, because I found out recently that that's what he do. Him and some people he know they got their own firm, so they're a broker dealer and an investment advisor, investment firm. So I got a few options. So
It's nice you got connections.
uh
I said that's nice you got connections with it.
yeah, but I think I'm gonna end up having my own joint, even if it's just giving like consultations and stuff like that.
It's gonna be in the big leagues.
Yeah. So that's what I'm planning for right now, man. Just being patient. Really, the only bad part about this is that the first two exams I gotta take is out of pocket. So that's about $250. Um, but once I get with a firm, they'll pay for it.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So,
unless you get in and just doing like clerical and administrative work, then you can do all your stuff with them and they just pay for it.
I wonder if they will fall under some workforce. Since it's not a since it's a short what do they call them? Those courses that don't take a long time. How long it take you to get that? How long it take you to do that? A year? 2 years?
It's really self-study. It's about when you ready.
Self-paced?
Yeah. Just better you better pass. They got so if you fail, right? You fail one time, you gotta wait 30 days. You fail two times, you gotta wait 30 days. You fail three times, you gotta wait, I think it's 90 days, or no, it's 6 months. If you fail three times, you gotta wait 6 months to retake it. But you paying that money every time you fail. So yes, it's self-study or self-paced, but you gotta cough that money up every time.
Right off for your taxes.
Yeah. Like this girl in my that was in my group, she just recently passed. This
Oh.
was her fourth time taking it.
She gave you some tips?
Yeah. I mean, honestly, I've been ready to take it. I just haven't done it yet, man.
Well, you seem to retain knowledge very well, so I don't see that being a problem.
Yeah, because I ain't trying to take this home more than once. The thing with FINRA is trying to make sure you know your shit. You know what I'm saying? So
yeah,
they in control of all the broker dealers, investment firms, and the reps. So they establish all the rules for that.
So you've taken pre-exams?
Well, practice exams, yeah, I passed all my practice exams.
And you're comfortable with them?
Yeah, that's why I'm about to take my test in about a week or two. So.
Well, you definitely sound different from when you first started, and you've you're understanding how you're facilitating the knowledge or expressing. It's not overcomplicated. You seem to understand what you're doing.
Yeah, I'm trying to make the shit simple because it's a lot of technicalities with this stuff, man. Like, just as easy as you can make money, you can lose money by giving wrong advice. That you can go to jail. You can be fined a lot of damn money too. Insider trading, even though these people do it all the time, you going to jail and you're gonna pay a lot of money. That they really stress that. I know y'all don't know about FINRA too much, but they set when it comes to like margin accounts, and options trading, they set a lot of rules along with the Federal Reserve for that. So if you had like a margin account, you was using that to borrow or using that to buy stocks, you would have to put 50% of the capital up to be able to do that. So, but it's just a lot of, even with options, when I was teaching y'all about, the whole options playbook, that's a side that I never seen before. So, there's a lot of details and stuff that be missing that you're not gonna hear from none of these finance gurus.
Well,
Yeah.
I don't be listening anyway, so.
You sure don't. You be sleep.
I sure do. And guess what? You don't hear me whining and complaining. I'm I'm secured. I'm secured. Okay. Well,
I'm gonna get out of here, guys.
yeah.
It's drama in the MEAC. I'm loving it.
Oh,
North
let me
Carolina
go.
Central folks is in their feelings. And yeah, man, they mad at y'all, South Carolina.
Well, let me go get some of that drama.
Look at Mo.
That's right.
All right, y'all.
Yeah, y'all don't be watching football. Y'all tripping.
Yeah.
Brandon, you what?
No, yeah, no, I watch it on Sunday. I try to get.
Oh, you high profile.
Just a little bougie.
Yeah, I see. That's okay. We down in the woods with it.
Yeah, man.
I'm going play in the sandbox with Price. Peace out, y'all.
Peace.
Peace, power, and profit.